Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty. You will find out in this channel. And I love drugstore makeup. You will find out some amazing drugstore recommendation if hair hauls, makeup tutorials, everything you will find out in this channel. So if that's interesting, please consider subscribing. I have recently hit 300 subscriber. I'm so happy. Thank you all for subscribing. And yeah, so if you like my videos and if you are not already subscribed, join the fam. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so today I'm going to do a top beauty products which are like extremely affordable from good quality brands, and these are amazing makeup that you can find out in drugstore, which does not even feels like a really inexpensive products. So yeah, today we are going to do makeup that are under the price tag of 100. Yeah, from good brands, of course. And if you want to know what are my top makeup recommendation under the price tag of 100, keep on watching. So I'm not going in any particular order. I'm just going to show you top makeup that are under rupees 100. So this is the NYB Kajal. And back in college days, I was a Kajal person. Now I'm not that much a Kajal lover, but if you are a Kajal person, this is a very, very good, extremely black, budge proof Kajal. I even wore this on gym, and this was like really budge proof. It's a very budge proof kajal, and when I bought this, this is my second purchase, not my first purchase. It was like just rupees 100, and it is really smudge proof. Once it sets, and I really enjoy it. So yeah, I will highly recommend you this one. Then we have Swiss Beauty. Of course, we will have a lot of Swiss Beauty products. So yeah, I have bought so many Swiss Beauty and Miss Clear lip liners, because lip liners can get expensive, and I was searching for affordable lip liners, but these are, regardless of their price, very good. So this is the shade Choco Nude. I'm going to swatch all of the lip liners that I have purchased recently. So this is Choco Nude, and yeah, this is 65 rupees or 45, I don't remember. So yeah, this is 65 or 45 or something. I have to check the price, but yeah, I have this one, the silver cap and black cap. Both the Six Beauty liners are so good. The formula, it's like not that creamy, not that waxy also, so it's perfect for lip liners, and I just love the formula of these ones. I will highly recommend you, if you have not checked already, the Swiss Beauty liners. They are amazing. I have like so many of them. Okay, so third one again, so it's by Miss Claire, and this is their eyebrow pencil, and it is so good, and it is just 60 rupees or something. So this is the shade dark brown, perfect if you have black eyebrows like me. And I just love these, and these are so inexpensive, 60 rupees, or yeah, when I bought this was 49 or something. So a very inexpensive brow product, and it is really good. And yeah, this brush, I don't like. I won't like this. I won't lie. This is very hard, and I just forgot. I'm trying to find my spoolie. You have to use your own spoolie. This is really hard. I don't like it. But if you are a beginner, you want to try eyebrow product, the quality of brow pencil is really good. It just this does not have spoolie, and this brush is very hard. Otherwise, this is a very good product. So yeah, this is my spoolie. So you can see it's like slightly bent. So yeah, I carry all my brushes, so it's not a big issue for me. But they have like 20 rupees one with spoolie. So if you want to buy that, you can try that. For an inexpensive option, I have shown you this one. Today I have this one. Let me just tell you this also. So this is the Blue Heaven eyebrow definer. So this has this rectangular kind of tip. Yeah, it's like rectangle, and today I have used this, and it's good. It's very natural. So if you are into natural brows, you can try this, and I like the effect. It's very natural. Today I was going for a natural base and everything natural, so I didn't use the it like all the powders are too pigmented and then my eyebrows looks dark. And if you have a subtle base, everything's subtle and your eyebrows looks dark, it looks weird. And now those block eyebrows are not in trend. So yeah, this kind of natural eyebrows are, everything natural is in trend in after the pandemic, that I wanted to say. You can try any of the brow pencil, I love both. Another lip liner that I think is such a good lip liner for the price at 40. I got this from a local store for 40 rupees, and look at this. For a reference, this is the Swiss Beauty one and this is the Hilary Rhoda one. It is a giant lip liner and this is the shade 20 and it's a pinky brown, and so on a warmer side you can see it's like that Nykaa Naughty Nude. If you want a lip liner in that, try this. A very clothes shade like Nykaa Naughty Nude, and it's a giant lip liner for 40 rupees, and the quality of lip liner is good. Again, not too stiff, not too creamy lip liner, so perfect lip liner formula, and it is very inexpensive and very good quality. Now a product that broke in the internet, literally everybody and their mother was using this. So this is the Inside Cream Highlighter just for 90 rupees, and the quality of this highlighter, and it's so good, and the glow this provides is so good. See, can you just see? So very natural, and you can build this up to blinding highlighter. Inside knows how to make good quality makeup. It is so good, and ever since I have bought this, I have constantly used this. I have to literally stop myself from using this. This is one of the best cream highlighter regardless of the price. I love it. Next are these lashes. So these are the lashes by Swiss Beauty, and these, see, this is the variation Drama. It is very pretty and it looks very natural and it's very fluttery. So if you have a wedding, and as you can see, I have not used, because on day-to-day basis, even if for shoot, I apply really natural kind of lashes, and this is dramatic. So I'm saving this for any big occasion, although I can use this, not a big deal, and I know I can use this like again and again, and it's a very beautiful pretty looking lashes. And yeah, it retails for 99 rupees. So yeah, touching that boundary of 100 rupees. A very beautiful lashes. I think I got it for 70 rupees. So yeah, I love those lashes. Okay, now let's just talk about some lip products, and this is the Blue Heaven lipstick, and this is their Walk Free lipsticks. So yeah, this is the shade Dusky Nude, and I have particles of specks of highlighter now. So this is the shade Dusky Nude, such a pretty lipstick, and the packaging is also kind of matte blacks, and the shade, particularly this shade Dusky Nude with a lip liner, looks so good on me. So if you have fair complexion, you have your perfect warm tone brown nude. It's a perfect warm tone brown nude, and it does not have pink, and it's a very neutral but slightly warm shade. So you can see it's a very pretty shade. I'm not that great at describing shade, and this retails for 90 rupees, 100 rupees, but I got it I got it for 90 rupees from a local shop, but on Purple this was like 60 rupees. So these lipstick are bomb, you guys. It's a very good creamy matte, but it's not like shiny matte. So yeah, it is not that glossy creamy looking. It's a good matte lipstick which is not very dry or something. So I love the formula and the quality. It does not smells bad. The only issue I have with drugs, really affordable lip product, that they smell bad, and this has almost zero fragrance, and look at the shade. So yeah, these they have so many pretty shades like wines, reds, nudes, so you can try according to your preference, but a very good quality lipstick for such an affordable price tag. Okay, then moving on to my current obsession, this is the this is the Insight gloss, and this is the gloss I have. You can see the shine. It is amazing. The shine is amazing. So if you are into glosses, you can try this, and you can see it's a very non sticky formula, and I just love this gloss. The shine is so good. You can see the shine. And I have the shade Temptation, and then I bought a clear gloss that I can throw on top of any lipstick. I have Touch of Spice, and I topped it on with this gloss, and it is looking so pretty. And yeah, I have to try the new NY Bay glosses. Like the NY Bay NY Bay know how to launch trendy products. So yeah, I will definitely try them and let you guys know. But in the meanwhile, you can try this, and this is very good. So these were all the makeup that were under the price tag of 100 rupees. Like this retails for under 100 rupees. So yeah, and I hope you like this video. I'm going to do similar with 150 rupees. I have a lot of products which fall under that range. So yeah, and you can find these products always on discount on Nykaa, Purple, Amazon, anywhere. So yeah, you can grab them, and these are some of the amazing makeup that just retails under the price tag of 100 rupees, but it is amazing. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and yeah, I shall see you in my next one. Bye.